Okay, here we are, day 4 of the fermentation. We're back in the wine cellar. We're going to measure the specific gravity again of the white Sauvignon Blanc kit and the red Cabernet Sauvignon kit. So first thing we're going to do is we've already pre-washed all the equipment. Now we're going to remove the bubbler, set that aside, use our wine thief again to drop a sample of the juice, just like we did yesterday. Plug the end to stop it from spilling all over the place. When we did the red wine yesterday, we didn't have to plug the end because we're doing it over an open container, but this one's not. This is closed, so we have to actually plug it. Move your thumb. Okay, there's our sample. This goes back in the sink to get washed. We put our hydrometer in. And our specific gravity today is just a hair under 1.070, so 1.069. Okay, now that we have that done, we're actually going to pour this back into here. Sink. We're going to wash that again. Put our bubbler back in. And you can see from the bubbler action that this is a in this fermentation is well underway, and it's bubbling quite rapidly, and that's a typical fermentation speed that we're going to see at this stage of the fermentation. So everything's progressing good. I did smell the juice. It is the juice it smells good. There's no off aromas to it, so that's one of the other things that we want to do as we're doing it. Make sure that there's no off flavors or off smells in that. We don't need to taste it at this point, but I did smell it. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to take a little break in the video. We're going to wash the equipment and to eliminate any chance of cross-contamination between the two different yeasts, and then we will take you over and we'll do the red wine. Okay, here we are now. We're going to start. We've washed all our equipment. We're on day 4, and we are going to do the red wine kit now. So again, we open this up. And you can see the bag with the skins in it is floated up to the top. I've already punched this down once this morning. It's about noon today. So we're going to push this back down. You can hear the air coming out of it. Well, it's actually CO2 coming out of there. So we just gently manipulate this, try to get some of that CO2 out of there and allow some more different juice to go in there to make contact with the skins. Push it down into the must. And just give this whole thing just a bit of a stir. And you can see by the bubbles in there, we have a really good active fermentation going. So we've got our clean wine thief and our clean hydrometer cylinder here. So we're going to pull up a sample of must here. And we need a little bit more. That should be good. Okay, we put the hydrometer back into the cylinder with the must. And we read the specific gravity. Okay, so today we're down to about 1.092. So we've dropped a fair bit from yesterday. So again, you need to record both of these numbers into your wine logs into the respective wine logs that you have at home. So just to recap, the white wine was specific gravity 1.069 and this one was 1.092. Okay, so that's it for now. We're going to pour this back into the must. We're going to wash the equipment again and get ready for our next measurements tomorrow. So that's it for now.
Hi folks, thanks for watching today. Just so you know, this series of videos was created for the benefit of the British Columbia Artisanal Winemakers Association. You can look them up on the website bcawa.ca. They are an umbrella organization for a number of winemaking clubs throughout British Columbia. If you would like to enhance your winemaking journey, you could start at their website and see what wine club is close to your area, and they will provide you with information about joining them. If you do live in the Greater Victoria area, you're welcome to join our wine club, Saanich Sommeliers. Our website is saanichsommeliers.ca. As well, we're on Facebook. Do look us up. We have monthly meetings. Each meeting consists of a presenter, and we also have a little social hour afterwards. The purpose of the club is to enhance and learn our winemaking journeys. We support one another. We provide mentorship to new winemakers. And I think you'd enjoy our group. We're a lot of fun. So please join us, look us up. We look forward to meeting you.